Al-Falaq, the Daybreak, is chapter 113 in the Quran. It is a Meccan chapter that was revealed for us to recite as a prayer to Allah to protect us against any kind of evil. The chapter starts with Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Say, O Prophet, I seek refuge in the Lord of the Daybreak. The word falaq means daybreak, but it also refers to God's creation. And since He is the creator of everything, He alone has the power to restrain it and keep its danger away from us. Min sharri ma khalaq, from the evil of whatever He has created, whether it's other human beings who want to hurt us, or from nature itself, like storms or natural disasters, or the animals and creatures around us, or even viruses that threaten our lives and livelihood. وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ, and from the evil of the night when it grows dark, as people tend to be scared of the darkness and the dangers that come at night. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ, and from the evil witches casting spells by blowing onto knots, meaning those who try to manipulate us by steering our minds and emotions in the wrong direction, which can destroy our relationships with our loved ones and can cause our communities to fracture. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ, and from the evil of the envier when they envy, those who look at other people's blessings and wish for them to go away, whether it's their homes, their possessions, their children, or anything good that they themselves may not have, and having feelings of hatred and jealousy towards others. It is encouraged to recite this chapter often, along with the next chapter, Surah An-Nâs, especially after daybreak and at night, as well as after every prayer. Help us create more videos by visiting our website today and contributing to our mission and project. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more videos and content.